Kelly waving at everybody.
We need to get her a crown. I have a tiara at home. It's got pink feathers on it. Which I would remember.
She used to do that when she was a little girl. They act like she was in a parade all the time. Look at that sugar sand.
That's a pretty little boat, isn't it?
They may not want to turn it off. There they are.
We had fun.
I bet.